Hi, and welcome to the RAC, Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today, we are going to be working on...
We're going to be drawing an Among Us skin that has been used several times by one of my favorite creepy or scary story narrators who goes by the handle Corpse Husband. He has been working really hard on his YouTube channel, and thanks to his appearance playing Among Us with a lot of other big creators, he's really finally gaining the traction that he deserves. This is his channel. Go check him out if you are into scary stories. Be forewarned that some of his stories do have adult language. They are true stories that are sent in by his subscribers, so he will read them as they are. So if there's language, then he's going to read the language.
Before I start the video, I just wanted to give a quick thank you to Felix, aka PewDiePie. The recent growth on my channel, and in general on everything else, was initially caused by him being kind and welcoming enough to allow me on his channel, which I'm incredibly grateful for. He's done things to help me that he definitely didn't have to do, and even behind the scenes has just been super nice, and I just really appreciate it. Also, the supporters that came from him have been nothing but kind. Really, everyone I became friends with through Among Us has just been ridiculously supportive. I love you, Jack. Anyways, here's clips of me killing my friends. Please, no. Alright, what task am I doing?
Oh my god, Corpse got it again! Here, good noon!
Yeah, I'm not a morning person either. I just woke up late.
Jesus.
You just wake up?
Another one of those fun days. It's like a 40 hertz voice.
It sounded like shortwave radio.
It sounds like spoken brown note.
This is me when I wake up. That's what
Oh my god, I'm scared.
I didn't know it could get lower.
I didn't know you could hit puberty twice. Jesus.
Corpse, can I just borrow the voice? Like 5 minutes.
What would you do with it?
I don't know, like call my dad or something and be like, see? See?
I am a real man.
Yeah, imagine having Corpse as your dad. You'll always be in
Oh my god.
That'd be rough, man.
He also has been doing a lot of really awesome music, is very addicting. However, again, there is some language. So to be able to use it on this video so you can kind of get a sample of it, I have edited the curse words out. Now, that doesn't do his music justice, and it doesn't quite sound... Who am I kidding? It doesn't sound correct, not even by a shadow of what it should sound like. But for fear that, you know, some of my younger viewers are gonna hear the language, we censored it. But if you are older and you're okay with that language, then by all means check out his music. White Tea and Miss You are the ones that are on this drawing tutorial. But like I said, he has a lot of really awesome music, and so on YouTube, his music is just Corpse. The YouTube channel where he does his horror story narration is Corpse Husband. And then he also has Instagram and Twitter. They are both under Corpse Husband.
I spill wine all on my white tee. People's like me. Corpse you off the deep end. What I might be. These girls, they tryna blind me. Count my life, please. I ain't got no time if you ain't beside me. Get up 7 a.m., but I haven't slept in days. Acid on my vocals, that's the price I gotta pay. Karma tryna the gas until it's empty. Already just trying to front. All my exes can't forget me. I still hate myself. I still can't accept me. I'm still on the run. Opposition's trying to get me. I'm still swerving till I'm done. More off the gas until it's empty. Already just trying to front. All my exes can't forget me. I still hate myself. I still can't accept me. I wish you wanted a simple life. A man can be satisfied. I'm stabbing the hell out of me. Why? I chase the pain and another eye. But I'm on time waiting. I'm still trying to figure out face it. Got better vision like LASIK. Boy, better my footage. Got to the top, I'm spraying. Full metal shots, don't miss. I take them. Never really kid if I'm famous to make while you just fake it. I'm still on the run. Opposition's trying to get me. I'm still swerving till I'm done. More off the gas until it's empty. All these my front. All my exes can't forget me. I can hate myself. I still can't accept me. It's what I get done. It's what I get done. I wish you wanted a simple life. I can be satisfied. I've been down to me. Why? I chase the pain and another eye.
I've been listening to his stories since 2016 when I first started working at my current teaching job, and I heard or found out about him because I was also listening to creepy story, haunted story narrations from Loey Lane, who is also another creator on YouTube. They are friends, and then she mentioned his channel, so then I found his channel. So I'm sitting there grading papers, looking at art pieces, etc., listening to his story narrations. So there's that. So because he's becoming so popular and he's always been one of my favorites, this is my tribute. So hopefully it does justice. So if you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Please stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.